Now that we created the layout, we could return the layout here. So pretty much we just have to uncomment that out, and we're gonna write in our calculator layout. And now that is returning the layout we just created. So we want to be able to manage the angle text view, the input text view, and the output text view. So let's create fields for that. Now that we created those views, we are gonna get the view from the onView created. So we're gonna type override, and it should auto-complete this for us. And there we are. So now we're gonna set the angle text view. So we're gonna use that view, and that view is from our onCreate view that we are returning. And we're gonna find view by ID. We're gonna set the parameter that we're looking for a text view. And we're gonna look for the ID angle text view. And our output text view. And so now we have all these views set, and just to make sure that our view is showing our text, we could put some sample text. So I'm gonna put 5 times 5, and for our output text view, and you could put anything you want in here. This is just to make sure that our views are working and that it's lined up properly.